Good morning everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. We're down here in Tweed on a glorious Saturday morning, which is normally reserved for commercial cleans, schools or lawn bowls, in Jamie's case. What we're doing here is we're cleaning all the front walls, these commercial buildings, side facing, get rid of all this mould up there, enhance the appearance, and obviously all the low level concrete curbing. Be here for a couple of hours, but it'll look spectacular when we're finished. If you need any commercial cleaning, give us a call.